You don't want to miss this. Did you know that you can go over your existing surfaces with epoxy? In this video, we're going to show you the simple steps to pouring stone right out of a bucket. You can customize colors and design exquisite surfaces that are truly unique. Take a look at the future of renovation. Stay tuned. Enjoy the video.
It's better in person than it is on the video.
I told you.
Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
Question of the day, guys. What do you think about the colors we chose for this earth tone? Would you leave it the way it is? Or would you want to upgrade the color recipe with some gold or some teal? So leave it the way it is or upgrade the colors.
So we haven't used this yet. We're going to show it here, but usually we'll have two people pick up like an 8-foot piece and move it around and tilt it. But this was our answer to not have that, and then Rhonda could do a 10-foot countertop by herself.
I do a lot by myself. This enables me not to have someone help me. Better in person than it is on the video.
I told you.
Coat Countertops, you got this.
Great comment!
We got a great comment from Danielle. She asks, I read a ton about needing respirators using epoxy. What are the VOCs of your product? The answer is zero. It's zero VOC. The formulation was designed with the do-it-yourselfer in mind, so you can open those bottles and pour your epoxy without any noxious fumes. Very good question, Danielle. Kudos on doing your research.
Until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. All right, thank you guys.
Bonus content.
Guys, in this video, we're going to show you step by step how we make a matching cup for our customer over a countertop color we just did.
So guys, did you change your mind about the colors? Would you leave it the way it is, or would you upgrade the color recipe? Go ahead and let us know in the comments below. You got this.